Building massive structures or working in large mines and quarries places extremely high demands on the size, performance and dependability of the machines used to do the hard work, and only one type of equipment can meet them completely: bulldozers. To be precise, the world's largest bulldozers. These massive machines that lead the way on the job site are the only ones that are technically equipped to deal with the harshest working conditions and a variety of difficult operations, such as pushing large amounts of soil, sand, rocks or debris, digging, excavating and leveling materials. In the case of crawler dozers, bigger is indeed better. Large crawler dozers outperform all other machines in terms of efficiency. They move more material per hour and have everything they need to move or demolish almost anything in their path. Massive dimensions, super powerful engines and blades that can be tilted, lifted, angled and pushed forward or backward to complete a variety of difficult tasks. The amazing trio Blade Ripper tracks that work its magic when put to work. While the blade moves material from one location to another, the Ripper breaks the ground, making it easier to work with, and the tracks generate excellent ground hold and weight distribution, preventing the bulldozer from becoming stuck or slipping on difficult terrain. We also did some digging and discovered who owns the largest and the most powerful dozer ever built. Check out our list of the top 10 largest bulldozers in the world, ranked by operating weight and engine power dimensions. Number 10. Caterpillar D10T2. If our top 10 list had been created in 1970, the Caterpillar D10T2, the world's 10th largest bulldozer, would have been at the top. This beautiful machine, which brings strength from the past and power for the future, is steeped in nostalgia. It was inspired by Caterpillar engineers' desire to create a larger and more powerful dozer than those being built by competitors at the time, as well as the previous model, Caterpillar D9. And their efforts were rewarded when ALLIS Chalmers introduced it as the HT41 391 kilowatts 524 horsepower at ConExpo in Chicago in 1969. It was the world's largest crawler dozer, as well as the first tractor to use an elevator drive sprocket. Caterpillar D10T2 has undergone many technical transformations since its initial release and has never disappointed. It has proven to be the highly productive and versatile machine engineered for demanding work that everyone expected it to be, both flexible for use on heavy construction sites and robust for use on mine sites. This 70.17-ton machine is ideal for harsh working conditions. The tough construction 766 horsepower engine and 18.5 cubic meters capacity blade keep the material moving with the dependability that Cat dozers are known for. The D10 dozer has proven to be a highly productive and versatile machine over the years. It's both flexible and robust enough to be used on heavy construction sites and mine sites. Cat customers can rely on the D10T2's superior performance, long life, ease of operation, and world-class service from the global Cat dealer network to be the backbone of their operation, carrying on the legacy of the D10T. EAS is a standard feature on the D10T2. EAS improves fuel efficiency and productivity by determining the best gear and engine speed combination based on powertrain load and desired ground speed. This feature works in the same way as an automatic transmission. EAS functionality, combined with increased reverse power, will boost productivity while backing up on the slopes. Number 9. CHETRA T40. The CHETRA T40 is the most powerful and largest Russian bulldozer designed for the gold and coal mining industries. The special carried suspension was designed to provide the best traction characteristics. These technical solutions, when combined with a powerful engine and a large capacity dump, enabled the highest performance and operator comfort. The CHETRA T40, ranked 9th among the world's largest bulldozers, is the most powerful serial Russian bulldozer manufactured for the gold and coal mining industries by Concerned Tractor Plants, a heavy-duty machinery specialist. This powerful machine distinguishes itself from the entire range of crawler-type dozers not only by its heavy weight of 70.28 tons, but also by its bogie-type undercarriage, which was specially designed to ensure the best traction in extremely rough working environments. In conjunction with a powerful 660 horsepower engine and the supersized blade with a capacity of 21 cubic meters that gets the job done on the job site, its technical features provide maximum efficiency while keeping the operator safe and comfortable while operating the bulldozer. The T40, like all CHETRA bulldozers, combine traditional Russian reliability in frame and undercarriage materials with a high efficiency of hydraulic components from American and European suppliers. And because bulldozer hydromechanical or hydrostatic transmission no longer requires physical strength from the operator, the CHETRA T40 can now be easily controlled by fingertips, making this super bulldozer even more popular among operators. Number 8. SHANTUI SD60C5. The SD60C5, the second largest crawler dozer from Chinese manufacturer SHANTUI, is ranked 8th in our ranking. The yellow giant weighs more than 70 tons and is powered by the Cummins QSK19 electronic control engine with 450 kilowatts, 1800 RPM, and meets Euro 3A China 3 emission standards. The SHANTUI mining bulldozer measures 10.4 meters in length and nearly 4.7 meters in width. A semi-U blade with a capacity of 18.9 cubic meters made of anti-wear materials is included as standard equipment. Furthermore, the SD60C5 can be outfitted with a massive single-shank ripper with increased penetrating force. The high-strength heptahedron cab is used to achieve large space, broad vision, good space, air tightness, and effective noise isolation. It has a powerful AC and heating system installed, and the air vents are strategically placed to provide excellent cooling and heating performance. AC air ducts, a control panel, a cup holder, a cigarette lighter, and a radio are all standard features of the high-grade luxury upholstery. To effectively reduce the volumes of hydraulic parts and achieve good operating inching performance, a high-pressure hydraulic system with a system pressure of 21 MPa is used. The working device is controlled by a single pilot joystick and offers flexible operations, high usability and comfort, and high reliability. To realize the AMT fingertip gear shift function, the traveling system is controlled by a single electronic control joystick. Number 7. LIEBHERR PR776 LITRONIC. LIEBHERR crawler tractors are known for their power and innovative technology, and the PR776 LITRONIC is no exception. Actually, its outstanding performance in bulldozing and ripping operations has earned it recognition as one of the world's most powerful bulldozers, ranking 7th in our top 10. The PR776 is an extremely powerful dozer that is suitable for any application, whether it is used for heavy-duty ripping, transporting materials, or grading. This large dozer's operating weight of 73.18 tons, powerful engine, high blade penetration forces, and outstanding grading attributes allow it to deliver maximum productivity, especially during heavy-duty operations. LIEBHERR crawler tractors are distinguished by their power and innovative technology. The PR776 is an extremely powerful machine for any application, whether heavy-duty ripping, transporting materials, or grading. The LIEBHERR diesel engine is built for tough mining and extraction operations and has enough power to handle any situation. Different operating modes are available for maximum power or fuel-saving operation, depending on the job requirements. The LIEBHERR PR776 LITRONIC's diesel engine, 598 kilowatts, 768 horsepower, is built for tough mining and extraction operations and provides enough power to handle any situation. This massive bulldozer's blade is mounted very close to the mainframe. This results in maximum penetration forces and quick filling of up to 18.5 cubic meters of material. Furthermore, its application-optimized shape offers superior material rolling properties on self-bonding materials as well as high fill levels when pushing heavy masses off rock. Number 6. FIAT ALLIS HT41 FD50. The first version of the now Caterpillar D10 T2 model, our 6th largest bulldozer in the world, made a huge impression in the market when it was released at the Chicago Road Show in 1969, being described as the largest bulldozer ever built at the time. Its incredible ripping capabilities were exactly what large earth-moving, surface mining, and quarry contractors were looking for. The FIAT ALLIS, which weighed 80 tons and was powered by a 524 horsepower Cummins VT1710C 4-cycle turbocharged engine, was introduced in 1970 and offered semi-U, full U, and cushioned push hydraulically controlled blades. The dozer has a torque converter and a power shift transmission with 3 forward and 3 reverse speeds. Attachments include semi-U and full U bulldozer blades of up to 20 feet wide, as well as a cushioned push block for push loading scrapers. Between 1970 and 1974, 1900 FIAT ALLIS HT41s were produced. Following the collaboration with FIAT SPA, the machine evolved into the FIAT ALLIS 41B, which was released in 1982, and later into the FT50, which was equipped with a Cummins VT28C engine. Unfortunately, FIAT ALLIS stopped production in 1989 due to market reasons, but the FIAT ALLIS HT41 continued to fascinate the public as the world's largest bulldozer for a long time. Number 5. Komatsu D475A8. This is the exact description given by Komatsu to this magnificent piece of large crawler dozer, which is one of the most well-known in the world. The D475A8 is the second largest dozer model from the Japanese manufacturer included in our ranking, making Komatsu one of the most important manufacturers of large bulldozers in the world. The D475A8 model was introduced in 2020 as the successor to the -5 model. With an operating weight of over 112 tons and an engine power of 777 kilowatts or 1040 horsepower, the Komatsu D475A8 is not as powerful as its bigger brother, the Komatsu D575A3, but it is certainly powerful enough to be recognized as one of the largest production bulldozers on the market in the world. The Komatsu D475A8 is an excellent choice for a versatile mining dozer that can go from ripping solid rock to cleaning up around the dragline. The D475A8 combined power and speed is designed for high production with low fuel consumption by utilizing an automatic lockup torque converter. It has up to a 10% increase in productivity over previous models. When compared to manual gear shift mode, automatic transmission with lockup torque converter provides an 11% more engine power in the reverse direction and 10% less fuel consumption. This large Komatsu dozer's total length of 11.3 meters and blade capacity of 34.4 cubic meters also contribute to its excellent technical performance in mining, heavy-duty and large-scale civil works, and superior peace of mind thanks to its hydraulically driven radiator cooling fan, which ensures optimal RPM while drastically reducing noise. Further, the Komatsu D475A8 automatic torque converter lockup system and electronically controlled transmission designed to provide greater efficiency during long pushes make it a superior crawler dozer in both ripping and dozing production. The first unit is now operational at a large oil shale quarry near Narva, Estonia. Number 4. Caterpillar D11TCD. Number 4 on our list is not only one of the world's largest bulldozers, but also the largest Caterpillar dozer ever built. What makes the Cat 11TCD so great is that built-in durability that allows this machine to withstand both the most demanding applications and the test of time. According to the American manufacturer, the Cat 11TCD large crawler dozer moves more material for less money, and it has everything it needs to do so. An operating weight of 112.72 tons, a powerful engine of 695 kilowatts or 913 horsepower, and a strong blade made of high tensile strength steel with a box section that resists twisting and cracking and can handle up to 43.6 cubic meters of material. Speaking of strength, one of the most impressive aspects of the largest Cat dozer is its mainframe, which was designed to absorb high-impact shock loads and twisting forces during severe dozing and ripping applications. As a result, seeing this machine rebuilt several times with the same frame and only minor welding is not unusual. Another technical feature that distinguishes the Cat 11TCD as a super dozer is the torque divider between the engine and transmission, which reduces the possibility of powertrain damage and dampening impact loads and vibrations. Number 3. SHANTUI SD90C5. The bulldozer SD90C5 is the largest mining dozer from Chinese manufacturer SHANTUI and ranks 3rd in our ranking. When equipped with a Cummins QST30 electronic control engine, the flagship model weighs over 106 tons and produces 708 kilowatts or 962 horsepower. The operator's cabin was designed with ergonomy, visibility and noise reduction in mind, 80 decibels. The SD90C5 is available with either a semi-U blade or a U blade attachment. The first tool has a digging depth of 1010 mm, while the single shank unit ripper type has a digging depth of 1670 mm. The bulldozer is massive, measuring 11.5 by 5.26 by 4.59 meters. The electronic control engine is reliable and meets the China 3 non-road machinery emission regulation. It features an air suction type temperature-controlled fan with a reverse self-cleaning function as well as high efficiency and energy savings. To achieve the AMT fingertip gear shift, the traveling system is controlled by a single electronic control joystick. The working device is controlled by a single pilot joystick and offers flexible operations, high usability and comfort, and high reliability. The ergonomic cab has plenty of space and excellent visibility. The cab is integrally sealed to effectively isolate noise and reduce driver-parroted noise to 80 decibels, which complies with the EU regulations. The high-power AC and heating system provides excellent cooling and heating performance, and the layout of the AC air vents is more humanized for improved driving or riding comfort. Number 2. Komatsu D575A3 SD, also known as the Super Dozer. The second largest dozer in the world is called Super Dozer for a good reason. It has an operating weight of 152.6 tons and is powered by an engine that produces 858 kilowatts, 1150 horsepower at 1800 RPM. Because it's so powerful, Komatsu engineers decided to mount it on the main frame with rubber cushions to reduce noise and vibration. The massive size of this massive bulldozer can make transporting it over long distances difficult. The machine must be disassembled and moved in up to 8 tractor-trailer loads. A super dozer like the Komatsu D575A3 of course comes with a super blade with a capacity of no less than 69 cubic meters and an innovative design that increases productivity by 15 meters when level dozing. This means that the world's second most powerful bulldozer can move more material against the same soil resistance and has an optimal dozing balance. The fuel-efficient Komatsu engine, combined with its heavy machinery weight, makes the Komatsu D575A3 Super Dozer a superior machine in dozing production, and it's widely used in the most difficult mining and construction sites around the world. The largest and the most productive Komatsu dozer ever produced was first shown as a prototype at ConExpo 1981 and was released as a production -2 model in 1991. It was first made public in 2002. Number 1. ACCO Super Bulldozer, the greatest dozer to exist. According to our top 10, the world's largest bulldozer has a story to match its impressive dimensions of 183 tons weight and 12 meters length. Strange but true, this beast that the entire world admires has never moved a cubic meter of material in its life, even 40 years after it was built. In the early 1980s, the Umberto ACCO company built the ACCO Super Bulldozer in Portogruaro, northern Italy, for export to Libya. Due to trade restrictions imposed by the USA on the country in 1986, due to Colonel Gaddafi's involvement in international terrorism at the time, the ACCO Super Dozer was never shipped to its destination. This massive dozer is primarily made of Caterpillar components. The blade, for example, is 7 meters wide and 2.7 meters high, making it the largest Caterpillar has ever produced. The Ripper alone on the world's largest dozer stands at about 3 meters tall and is powered by massive hydraulic rams. Putting such a large machine to work required a lot of mechanical strength, so it's no surprise that the world's strongest and largest dozer is powered by 2 horizontally opposed 675 horsepower Caterpillar engines, delivering a total combined output of 1350 horsepower. Isn't that amazing? ACCO ceased to exist when both the founder, Umberto ACCO, and his son died. They left no legacy to the ACCO company's management. In 2008, the main and secondary shops gradually became a dump yard for any type of earth-moving machinery, including a super bulldozer and its 200-ton brother, the super grader. The dozer had been removed from the abandoned ACCO facility by the end of May 2012 and is now safely stored at a local gardening company in the same town to be preserved and eventually displayed. The ACCO Super Dozer drove itself onto the trailer that transported it to the new location. That's all we have for today. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and gained some new information. Let us know what you'd like to watch next, and if you liked this video, like this and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. Until then, stay tuned and keep watching. Ching. Ching.